yet hear it in my lifetime. But I saw one this summer. We just came out here to screech, and one just hammered.
That's so sick. Unbelievable.
This is a good start to the trip. Good start to the trip.
Yeah. The bag of stuff right here has got your guys' SD cards in it.
Oh. All right, we're off.
I can go way ahead for you. 7:30.
Better get rolling.
Hey, got a prediction for the first gobble?
I think we're gonna go in there, and we're not gonna hear one right away, and we're gonna get down in the dumps. But we just gotta be patient with it, and then they're just gonna fire off everywhere in every direction. There's owls, there's coyotes, there's whippoorwills, spring peepers.
That's not an owl. We're in a high pressured area. That's another hunter. What's going? Oh, yeah.
I can't wipe the smile off my face. Oh God. Liza just filmed the ground. I told him when the bird's coming in. I'm just gonna rip on him until he gets one on camera, and then I'll let up on him. But he's over too. Alright. So we're kind of just slowly getting ready here, taking our time because we're pretty early. We're just gonna split up. Two of us are gonna go down this road, and one of us is gonna go up to this high point and listen to the bottom on the other side of it, and then we'll see what we hear. Hopefully we hear something, and then make a game plan from there. But we're just gonna try to cover a lot of ground with our ears this morning because obviously we've never been in this area or hunted this ground, so pretty excited about it. I can hear 3 of them right now. Over there. Yeah, they're over by you. He just went right up there. Right over there. You heard him. Yeah, we could. I think we need to get around this lip and pop up right in this bridge. If they're already going to be on there, it might pitch right to it. We got pretty close to him. He shut up after he flew down. But there's a bunch of them losing their minds back the other direction, so we're probably going to come back this way and meet us, and then we're going to get towards those turkeys. Yeah. There's someone back there. We got a lot of options. We're not going to run out of turkeys, I don't think, so most of them, I think we didn't get super aggressive this morning, because we don't really know how this property kind of lays out, I guess, so we're definitely going to try to get more aggressive. I'd say it seems like they got heads with it. That was him. Oh, deer on that. Fuck. Dude, this turkey just got mine. Let's go back. That tree line dropped into the bottom. Yeah, I see her. There's a hen in there, I'm guessing. Thoughts in the morning so far?
It was fun at first. Now we're struggling.
Let's just go around and go down there. Yeah. Alright, well, we just pulled into this public spot. There's birds on a private over here that we just spotted. It was a couple Longbeards. We're gonna have to try to hit them with the box call and see if we can get them to answer and maybe come to us. Otherwise, we just had a hen fly up out of this field that she was probably nesting. So maybe we'll work our way through this woods and try to strike one. Putz around a little bit, see what happens.
Ooh. That's what you want to see right there.
Which way was that? Right here, right here. I thought it was that one.
What was that one?
Hit him with it again.
Keep striking.
Of course, it's gonna be one. It's gonna be one time.
See if you can push one down into that creek bottom right there, into that island.
Oh, that's cool. The gobbler.
Yeah.
Is that a bird up at road up there?
No, that's like a crow. It's a bunny.
Yep. Yes.
Let's just keep giving it to them right here, and when they start coming. Yeah. That big tree right there behind that brush.
Yep.
Or just behind this dead log.
Hey, should I get my gun too?
Yeah, run and get it.
Well, we're calling on this road to these birds on the private, and they're gobbling back to us, and then Cole was working the clinger, and we just got one right here in the log, here, about 100 yards in front of us. Get right up by that log, right here. Yeah.
Not very far, dude. Do you see him?
I don't know. Yeah, I'm still looking to the left. I just went back to go get my gun from the car. Oh my gosh. You on them? There's a Longbeard right on top of them right now. They're up on the ridge. That thing just keeps screaming in, dude. Yep. I'm not gonna go in there. I'm just gonna stay right here because I don't want him to see me or something. Maybe I'll get to this log and I'll see. Maybe I can get a shot at it if they miss or something.
He just got one. He got one.
I think he did.
I don't know, those birds were right there, but they must have turned around. We couldn't see them. They were like right in front of us gobbling.
Oh, he's right there.
Oh, actually, yeah, we can go down this side. They're up there. We can go down this side. this roost tree's in here. Looks so good. Obviously got into them pretty tight there twice. Just a little too thick both times. We had limited room to back up and try to call them in, so did what we could. But didn't work out. That's the way it goes sometimes. We're gonna keep bouncing around, hitting them with the clanger. Because it fires them up there. We had birds across the road and then those two gobble 100 yards behind us. My car doesn't break.
We're not, if we come crashing down the hill. So still right out there, maybe like skylight us. Good morning, everybody. It's morning number 2. The sun's just starting to come up. It's a beautiful morning. It's dead calm. Whippoorwills are going. We're a little bit more refreshed than we were yesterday. Got a little more sleep. We have some birds that we saw fly up that we're going to go after. I think it's a group of 3 or 4 toms. They could have hens now. They could not. Last time we saw them, they didn't. But we're just going to slip in and get pretty close to them on the roost. They're kind of in a bottom, and we're just going to get in there, assuming they're going to fly down and strut through the bottom and get to the creek somewhere. We're packed for the whole day, so...
I think these turkeys are in this bottom 150, 200 yards in front of us here. It's super quiet, so we're just going to wait for them to gobble and try to get as close as possible. But it's going to be a little more difficult with how quiet it is. And that bottom's a little crunchy with leaves. got direct line of sight right now.
Yep.
I think it was left on goal.
You're good. One to the left, still there.
Come here. See him? Going to the left, but still there. He's just behind the tree.
Okay.
Just talk to me when you got him.
Yep, I'll tell you when I'm good. Roll one. I'm good anytime. I'm good anytime. Roll one, I'm good. Both of them.
Back one.
Yep. Go, get him.
Hit him again.
Oh my God. Yep, right here. Yep. We just doubled up! We just doubled up on the gun switch! On the gun switch, baby! Dude, what was he doing? What was he doing?
Dude, I can't hear my.
I'm sorry. Let's go get on him quick.
The double! Did the gun click?
The gun clicked.
And then he missed, and then he loaded his
the gun clicked. I shot, I missed. I grabbed another shell. This one was so mad.
Did they come straight here?
Yeah.
They were in the field.
They were in the field.
I heard them in the field, and I didn't want to move because I thought they could be 30 yards from me.
They were up there, and we're like, where are these turkeys? Like, they sound like they're right on the edge, but we can't see them in the tree. And then I saw them in the field right after we sat down. And then they came here, strutted. Did you hear him go?
Oh, I could.
That was the craziest drumming I've ever heard.
I thought they were, how loud they were, I thought they were 30 yards behind me. I was looking that way because I was like set up that way. I just didn't move because I was like, I don't know where they're at.
I click. Cole shoots. The other one, he's like, chuk, 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 grab the gun. I grab his gun. I'm like leaning around the tree. Cole's gun? For the first shot,
Click.
click. Rack a shell. I'm on him. Boom. I miss.
What I think happened on that click is I might have not closed it all the way.
Grab my gun, grab the shell, put a shell in, and then I waited. And he was just
going back and forth trying to attack this thing.
It's a good thing I didn't walk. I was like, oh, I just stood up and I saw your bird flopping.
I can't believe this just happened. I thought they were just gonna stand up there and strut and not come in here. And then all of a sudden he just went I think one of the biggest things that you can see in the footage, they're gobbling, and Cole's giving them some little yelps and stuff. As soon as he cut that off, when we started scratching, then they got pretty antsy, and we let off the call for like 5 minutes, scratched, and that was it.
Mac was just moving he was just behind the tree, just going. Yeah. And finally, they came out of strut and just were coming right through the bottom at us.
Yeah.
I shot that one, and then I called again, and this other one just started attacking this one.
Dude, you can't even see you. I can only see the top of Mac's head.
Alright, get on up to the car, crack a cold one,
Get him cleaned up.
and get Brad a tag and get back out here.
Hey, that was off the roost though.
That was right off the roost. 45. 44 and a half. I'm going to say 45 because he probably shriveled up a little bit.
Oh, short bird. Pinch the tail. No. 42 and a half. We're cooking today, Brett.
We're going to get some Wakero Wagyu going and then bird for dinner.